Hello, everyone. This is Luke Zabrowski here with RMS Roller Grinder. I got Kyle Pearson with me as well. He's part of our engineering team. And today we are going to discuss the importance of magnets in your grinding operation. Kyle, appreciate you jumping on. Let's get right into it. Let's start simple. What is one way to reduce the risk of potential factory explosions that we see, on the news sometimes?
Yeah, I'd say a very simple and inexpensive way that we can prevent this from happening is implementing either our manual magnets or our automatic magnets in our feeders that are above our roller mills.
Let's stay simple again. What is really the function of a magnet in a processing line?
So the function of a magnet in our roller mill operation is to prevent ferrous foreign material from entering our roller mill. Because when we see that material enter our roller mill, it can lead to two main issues, and that would be mechanical damage of it going through the rolls, damaging the rolls, or damaging the spring assemblies on the rolls, or creating a spark in this high dust environment that can lead to explosions.
Next question. I've ran into this a few times out in the field with different operators and stuff. It seems like they're maybe a little bit afraid, if that's the right word, to clean their magnets. In your experience, is cleaning magnets a safety hazard?
I would say as long as you're following a standard operating procedure that is set in place by your facility and doing all the lockout, tag out, and making sure everything's shut down before you're cleaning these magnets, there should be zero safety hazard in doing that.
Before you brought up our automated magnet cleaning system, what does that do differently than our standard, manual magnets?
Yeah, so this is something we've developed over the last few years. It's an automatic magnet cleaner that works in line with your feed roll. It would go below your feed roll instead of the manual magnets that are built into the feed roll. And it's a pneumatic magnet cleaner that it has arms that swing out and a stripping plate that strips the material off of the plate and drops it into a chute. And then that tray is manually emptied weekly or monthly, however much foreign material is in your machine.
Got it. So you can either even have it like you said, like on a timer or just like push button.
Yeah, so a lot of times these will be implemented into our automation package with our mills. So they'll be set up on a timer that is set specifically for your site. So after a set amount of time, that'll swing open and clear that material off the magnet. And they're also integrated with sensors, so no one can get into that and work on that magnet while it's running.
What are some simple steps a facility could take like right now to improve its magnet safety protocols?
I would say the first thing, if you don't have magnets, it would be to implement magnets into your operation. But as far as to improve magnet safety protocols, I would say to make sure everyone that is working around the magnets understands the standard operating procedures and knows to lock out, tag out before they're working on these magnets, either the manual magnet cleaning or the automatic magnet cleaner.
That makes complete sense. Well, I appreciate your time, Kyle. I think that kind of wraps up my questions. But if any of the viewers out there have any, questions about which magnet is the, right solution for their operation, feel free to reach out to RMS Roller Grind.